Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a big data solution with Google Cloud BigQuery step by step clearly. To build a big data solution with Google Cloud BigQuery, start by creating a Google Cloud account. Visit the Google Cloud Platform website and click on Get Started for free. Follow the prompts to set up your billing account. Once your account is created, navigate to the Google Cloud console. In the console, create a new project by Select a project from the top menu. Click on New Project and provide a name for your project. After creating the project, enable the BigQuery API. Go to the API and Services dashboard and click on Enable APIs and Services. Search for BigQuery and enable the BigQuery API. Next, you will need to create a dataset in BigQuery. In the left sidebar, find BigQuery and click on it. Select your project and click on Create Dataset. Choose a name for your dataset and set the data location. Now, you can start importing data into BigQuery. Click on your newly created dataset, then select Create Table. Choose the source of your data upload method. You can upload a file from your computer, select Google Cloud Storage, or use other options. If you choose to upload a file, specify the file type and the schema for your table. After configuring those settings, click Create Table to load your data. Once your data is loaded, it's time to write SQL queries to analyze it. In the BigQuery console, select Compose Query. Write your SQL queries in the query editor. You can start with simple queries, such as selecting data from your table. As you become more comfortable, explore more complex queries and joins. After running your queries, review the results in the bottom pane of the console. To visualize your data, consider integrating with Google Data Studio. Connect your BigQuery dataset to Google Data Studio for advanced reporting. This integration allows you to create dynamic dashboards. Regularly optimize your queries for performance. Use partitioning and clustering to improve query performance. Monitor your data usage and costs in the Google Cloud console. You can set up alerts to help you stay within your budget. As your needs grow, consider exploring other Google Cloud services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.